Hello guys, welcome in today's session. Today we'll see rights of consumer. And before we see rights of consumer, let us see what is consumer. So basically, consumer is a person who purchases goods for himself. So all those people, whoever purchase goods for himself, they all are consumer. Whatever goods we purchase for us, for that we are consumer. I bought this camera. So I am the consumer of this camera because I am consuming this camera. If you buy one computer for you, so you will be the consumer because you have bought computer for you. Basically, the consumer is a person who purchases any goods or services. That person is known as consumer. Now, some consumers are not aware with their rights. Even many students are not aware with the rights of consumer. So today, here, I'll explain you types of consumers. First right of consumer is right to safety. Now, every consumer has right to be safe for his life against those goods which could be hazardous, which could be dangerous for his life. Let us see some example in this point. See, you can see the examples on your screen. This mark, what you can see on the water bottle, these marks shows that these products are safe. So on all manufactured product, you will see these marks. Even you see this product, egg mark is put on these two products. These two marks are put on agricultural products. So egg mark is the sign of purity and safety of product. These are good for health. It can't be hazardous to life of consumer. Even this thing, this sign shows that this spray, this is air freshener. This air freshener is flammable. So be safe with such kind of product while we use it. So this is right to safety. Let us see next right, that is right to information. According to this right, we all consumers have right to obtain the information, to keep the information regarding the goods or regarding the services what we are going to buy. Let us see some example. Like here you can see on the screen, informations are given about the product. So with this information, we'll come to know the ingredient of this product, the manufacturer of this product, expiry date of this product, maximum retail price, batch number, everything, the whole information of this product is given here. So this is only because of our right, so that we can enjoy our right. ये सारे informations दिए रहते हैं so that we can enjoy our right. Here too you can see informations of product is given in detail. This is for the information of consumer. This is right to information. Now next point is right to choose. We consumers, whenever we go into market to buy any product, whether we buy any goods or we buy any services, we all are having right to choose the product or goods or services. We can choose any services, we can choose any goods according to our budget, according to our like, according to our convenient, etc. For example, you can buy cheese of any company. There is no boundary. Businessman won't force you to buy their product only. Even here too you can see on the screen, you can buy any perfume. You are free to choose the product. You can buy the curd of any company. You can buy the curd of Amul or you can buy the curd of Govardhan. आप कहीं पर भी चाय पी सकते हैं. आप चायोस में भी जाकर चाय पी सकते हैं. The cost of which is ₹150. You can take a cup of tea from this shop where the cost of one cup of tea is ₹10. और रोड साइड में अगर चाय पिए तो वहां पर द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 कप ऑफ टी इज ₹5. चॉइस इज योर्स. कहीं पर भी चाय पी सकते हैं. हियर यू कैन सी यू कैन बाय एनी टाइप ऑफ शैम्पू. चॉइस इज योर्स. This is a point right to choose. Now, next right of consumer is right to be heard. Now, we all consumers buy some product. We pay price and buy the product. And that's why we all are having right to speak up about our problems, about our suggestion. We can talk with the company. We can inform to the company regarding our suggestions, regarding our problem, regarding our complaints. So, in every product, some helpline services or website address or email address is provided. For example, here you can see the contact details of the company is provided. You can check it out. Even you can check the same details on the product what you have at your home. Check even this product. Contact detail is given. You can see the contact details, the way we can contact with the company. This is right to be heard. Now next right of consumer is consumer education. Here education means awareness. Being a consumer, we all are having right to be aware regarding the product what we are buying. We can have advanced information regarding the product before we buy. For example, you can check the review of any product on the internet before you buy. You check. For example, before you buy any mobile, you can check the review of that particular mobile on internet. Even we are having several examples over here. For example, before you buy any electronic product, we can see such type of star mark which shows the amount of electricity saved by that electronic device. You must be having toothpaste at your home. Now after this video, you just go and check the toothpaste what you are having at your home. Here you can see the green mark. Now this green mark shows that this product is natural. This toothpaste is natural. That is the meaning of green mark which is put. You may have different color marked on your toothpaste that could have some different meaning. But here, if the green color is put, that means the product is fully natural and safe. Next right of consumer is right to represent. Being a consumer, we all are having right to represent ourselves. Where can we represent ourselves? हम लोग अपने आप को कहाँ पर represent कर सकते हैं? We can represent ourselves in the court of consumer. So consumers code, there are different code for consumers which is known as consumer code, which is known as consumer forum. In this consumer forum, we all individual consumer can represent ourselves regarding our problem, regarding our complaints. हम consumer को कुछ भी product related problems होंगे, issues होंगे, we can visit in the consumer forum. Another right of consumer is right to redress. Redress means to replace the product, compensate the loss or to repair the product in free of cost. Now today whatever products are sold, all those products they sell in warranty. They sell in warranty or they may repair that product in free. For few years they will be giving free services. For example, here you can check the product on the screen. Here company gives warranty. Within that warranty, if any problem is occurred in the product will be repaired in free of cost. और if it is not repairable, अगर वो product repair होने जैसा नहीं है तो your product will be replaced. और अगर उस product से आपको कोई loss होता है, so that loss will be compensated. So this is because of our right to redress. Next right of consumer is right to healthy environment. We consumers can live in healthy environment, the environment which is good for us, the environment which is good for our life. If any business organization creating some pollution, it could be noise pollution, it could be air pollution, or it could be water pollution. कोई भी business organization, if they create any such type of pollution, we can go in against to them. We can file a case in the court of law. We can complain against to them. So we can raise our voice against to these types of pollution. That is right to healthy environment. Next type of right is right to protect from unfair business practices. I'll tell you the examples of unfair business practices. Unfair business practices means ब्लैक मार्केटिंग, दैट इज कालाबाजारी, और फूड एडल्ट्रेशन, दैट मीन्स जो खाने पीने की चीजें होती है जिसमें मिलावट करते हैं, दैट इज फूड एडल्ट्रेशन. सो वी आर हैविंग राइट टू प्रोटेक्ट आवरसेल्फ अगेंस्ट ऑल दीज गुड्स. टुडे इन मार्केट इन सब प्रोडक्ट्स सम फूड आइटम्स आर एडल्ट्रेटेड, उसमें मिलावट होती है. इवन सम गुड्स जो कि डुप्लीकेट सेल करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डेयरी मिल्क जो आप खाते हैं, डेयरी मिल्क, एक और प्रोडक्ट है इसका डुप्लीकेट, दैट इज डेली मिल्क. सो देयर इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन डेयरी मिल्क एंड डेली मिल्क. सो डेली मिल्क इज डुप्लीकेट. So such type of products are sold in the market which is not good, which is against to the law. We consumers are having right to be protected ourselves against this kind of duplicate goods. Next right of consumer is right against spurious goods. Spurious goods means those goods which are hazardous for us, means that goods could be dangerous for our life. For example, cigarette. Cigarette is not good for health. Tobacco, that is not good for health. So we can protect ourselves from all those goods. For example, you check this instruction, what is given on this product. This instruction shows that this product is safe to us. Even you check another product. If such type of mark is put on the product, that means that product is safe to our life, safe to consume. We can buy such type of products if these informations are mentioned on the product. So here we have finished all rights of consumer. If you have any doubt, you can repeat the video once again and definitely you all would understand